Hey guys, welcome to the Gadget Show. Today we have 10 coolest home gadgets that cost under $100 and you can find it on Amazon. On the description of this video, you will find all the links so you can buy any of the stuff we are showing you right here. So please sit down and relax. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Baxia Technology upgraded 28 LED super bright solar motion sensor lights with a size of 4.33 by 2.68 by 5.12 and equipped with powerful 28 LEDs. The solar lights bring a brightness of 400 luminaires. Simple design, small size, but bright enough to light up your yard or patio area. Unlock the lights and remove the protective film. Install the lights in a place where it can receive good direct sunlight without any shelter. Built-in 1200 mAh lithium battery. 8 hours direct sunlight charging. Help to works about 12 hours. When motion detected in 10 feet with an angle of 120 degrees at night or darkness, the lights will turn on automatically and last for 30 seconds. There is no dim mode. Our solar lights are waterproof and durable, which can be installed on the outside wall, yard, fence, stairs. Baxia Social Security Lights, lighting your way home.
Alex, turn the humidifier.
Okay. Life moves fast, so no matter where you are, Amazon Key has got you covered. With all new in-garage delivery, monitoring, and remote access via the Amazon Key app. You can rest easy knowing that both your packages and your home are safe and secure. Prime members with MyQ-compatible garage door openers can opt into getting Amazon packages delivered right inside their garage. Amazon will authorize the delivery and securely open your garage door. You'll get a notification once your package is delivered and your garage is closed.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Stop fumbling in the dark and light the way with the Lumilux LED toilet light. 16 different LED colors make bathroom trips more vibrant. You can choose a fixed color or carousel mode, which will cycle seamlessly through every shade of color inside your toilet bowl when activated. Even choose your brightness with the 5-stage dimmer. Unlike other toilet lights with cheap suction cups, Lumilux's bendable arm fits securely on the lip of any size toilet bowl. Lumilux's built-in motion sensor detects body heat to automatically illuminate the room when you enter and turn off when you leave. Safe, efficient, and fun. The Lumilux LED toilet light leads the way.